Yeah, people have to come. So I will admit one by one, then we will start. Yeah. Okay, now we have come again. We will start. Yeah. Yeah, now we have to go to this question. We have done the 9th question very well. 10th question, this is a really tough question. What is the future of banking sector in India as per your thinking? What is the future of banking sector in India? This is the question posed. So we will start from.
Can I try, sir?
Yeah, please try. Whomsoever volunteered first. Yeah.
Shubham Gupta.
Yeah,
Shubham,
yeah.
yeah. As India is a developing economy, and in economy, the banking plays a very important role. As India will go in a step of developing nation, the bank will play a very important role. It will be a backbone for our developing economy and also our society as well.
Okay, Shiva.
So I think banking is a very prosperous and
sufficient. Samba Shiva.
Sir, according to India, India's population is increasing day by day. According to that, our economy also further economy increase, the population also increasing. Further, in that case, the banking always will be grow in every situation.
Okay, Sachin.
Yes, sir. According to me, the banking is all related with the customer, and as we know that we are the second most densely populated country, and at the same time we are developing. So for the developing of the developing country in economically, the banking will be a great options, and it will be a very lucrative career, lucrative uh, a sector in the future, sir.
Okay, now go to Pallavi.
Sir, according to me, the future of banking will be driven by major technological changes and will transform drastically. Future of banking will be digital because COVID-19 situation already shown us that how digital banking is important in everyone's day-to-day life. So.
Okay, next, yeah. Realme 5i. So Realme 5i, are you there? No. Acha, yes. No. Then Shiva has spoken already. Success, Shiva. Speak. Success.
Yes, sir. In my point of view, sir, bankings are very growing sectors. They are giving loans to that startup companies. With that help of we can develop our we can provide employment services to that new employees, and they will be grown to us.
Yeah, here Realme, Sachin, can you unmute Realme? I'm not able to do it.
Yes, sir.
Realme 5, it is not possible for us to do it. Acha, Shiva, sorry, I didn't get your point. Can you repeat?
Yes, sir. As in my point of view, sir, the banks are very growing sector. They are providing the loans to the new startup companies. So with the help of they can give as a recent news also, the Modi given the banks are give the loans to the small industrial. With the help of we can give the employment opportunity to that unemployed people. So with the help of that we can increase our employment, sir. With the help of we can develop our country.
Okay, Nikhil Wang.
Yes, sir. So what is the question actually? I am joined
Question is how do you imagine banking sector to be after a few years? Say, what is the future of banking sector?
it should be definitely the digital banking.
Hmm.
As far as the COVID-19 is concerned, and the peoples are used the latest technologies, and they might don't have any time to reach bank and doing their works in bank as well.
Hmm.
So according to me, the banking will definitely go the digital.
Hmm. Okay. Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
what do you think will be the future of banking in India?
I think, sir, nowadays people are shifting, and the trend, basically, our India is in top in digital banking or digital payment, and people are adopting that things. We may see drastic changes in future, that people will shift from retail means direct banking to the digital banking as well.
Super. Jishnu? Yeah.
With the development happening in the banking sector, one thing we can be sure that it is going to be a backbone of the economy. It is going to last as a backbone of economy as it is also now. And with the youths shifting towards the banking sector, sir, with their knowledge and their time and effort, it will be like a success which is not been witnessed never before.
Exactly. This question is a very vague question. There is no definite answer for this. There is no the answer for this. But you have to tell, you have to express that you are a positive thinking person or optimistic person by telling banking would have enlarged in its scope by being fully digital. Who prevents you by from telling you like this? Banking would have fully digitalized, in spite of the fact that many of the rural people are not that very educated. They would learn that, and they will be able to operate the bank accounts fully digitally. And digital banking is the scope of banking in our country, and probably we may have more of a neo banking. Write down that term, NEO. We may have more of neo banking, and yeah, we may have more of neo banking means no branches.
Neo banking means, sir, they don't have physical existence, na?
Yeah,
Physical branches.
like Airtel. Now Airtel and all, they are all neo
Yeah.
banks. Airtel Payment Bank is a neo bank. Realme, can you speak now? Your sound has been rectified.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your name, please. Sorry.
Yes. Sir, Suraj.
Suraj. Tell me, Suraj.
The futurist banking is a booming sector, sir. As
Hmm.
India is a mixed economy, we get lots of foreign direct investment, and the government is taking initiative for the all development programs, sir, which typically has banking as a major role in it.
Good. If you answer like this, you will get questions like, say, what is mixed economy? Tell me.
So mixed economy is nothing but sorry, apologies, sir. I'll not use that word nothing but I'm habitual to it.
Yeah.
Mixed economy is if the both public and the private are sharing an economy, it is called mixed economy. For example, and currently India, the public sector is owning 51% of the Indian economy. So it has the upper hand in giving confidence to the people. And private sector has 49% of the economy. It is called mixed economies.
Can you name countries which are having mixed economy?
So India, sorry, sir, I'm not aware.
So please, all of you, go to google.com, search mixed economy examples. You will get lot of questions on this. United States, United Kingdom, Sweden, Iceland, France, Germany.
European countries.
Yeah. Where is a mixed economy? Mixed economies ranging from United States to Cuba have been termed mixed economies. The term is also used to describe the economies of countries which are referred to as welfare states, such as Norway and Sweden. Is Philippines a mixed economy? Philippines as a mixed economy with privately owned businesses regulated by government policy. it is considered newly industrialized economy and emerging market. Then is India a mixed economy? Today, India is considered a mixed economy. The private and public sectors coexist and the country leverages international trade. What is capitalism? Give examples. One of the examples of capitalism has been the creation of mega corporations which are owned by set of private institutions and individuals. Minimal government intervention and protection of private property rights has enabled the creation of homogeneous companies. Like for example, India also it is happening. Reliance, then Adani Group, Tata's Group, they are doing like this. Is Apple a capitalism? Apple, one of the largest software computing companies in the world, practices conscious capitalism. Their many apps and values to the lives to their users. How Apple is different from Google. Both companies share many common traits that have contributed to their success, but there is one very big difference between the two. Google plays offense while Apple has recently settled for playing defense. Apple is struggling to maintain its position in the market while Google is expanding its position. That's okay. This much detail you may not get, but suddenly when I came for searching about this, I came across this. Then while talking, somebody, Suraj told about a word FDI. Now, Sachin, tell me what is FDI? Is it
Foreign direct
useful for us?
Yes, sir. Absolutely, it is useful for us for the development because with the help of foreign direct investment, we can we can use their money for the development of our country, sir.
No, but you can still add some more points for starting of new factories, new companies, and increase our production, increase employment opportunities.
For being development in infrastructure, we can use their money of the foreign direct investment.
Super. Subham Gupta, tell me about FDI. What is your view on FDI?
So FDI is a foreign direct investment. It is bought by the foreign investor in our country, and with that money, we can establish manufacturing industries. So it will help in our economic development and job growth.
I think, is it okay, sufficient? Shall we go for the next question? Yeah.
Yes.
Because time is running short, that's the reason. What is on your take on loan waiver of farmers? Is it beneficial for the country? Good question. These are questions like so there is one word for this, where you are being hooked, This question, either you say this way, that way, it is very difficult. What is your take regarding loan waivers? Sambasiva, first tell me what is loan waiver, in whether it is good for our economy or our country or not. Sambasiva.
Yes, sir. According to me, loan waiver is up to some extent it will be work because very small farmers it will be needed in most of the remote areas or villages. Example, somewhat restrictions has to keep to loan waiver amount. Up to the respective states have to control the loan waiver. In future, loan waiver it will be negative only because always farmers will be addicted to that. Because of that, any schemes or any plans has to take by the government.
Very good. Right. Now we will come to it. Pallavi.
Yes, sir. According to me, loan waiver is has a negative impact because credit flow. Credit flow. It disturbs the credit flow and can repeated waiver could get encouraged because of this.
May I try, sir?
Yeah, please try.
as an I am the son of farmer. This leads to the willingness to or make a habit of some people that they feel that when someone is in due, they feel that it is good to wait for the waiver or the scheme. Yes,
Correct.
and
I got
that was
7
not an
points.
issue. That was
Yeah.
not an issue. But when we put that money and that money directly goes in their hand, it leads to the inflation, which is very hard to overcome. And second, third most important thing is that uh, it is not a permanent solution. It is a temporary solution. Instead of that, we should provide them a MSP and all those things that by which they can manage their loans themselves.
Yeah, no. The reason why we are giving more importance for agriculture is that we all depend on agriculture for food. Without that, we cannot live. We cannot ignore them. Yeah, we will. There are some points. Shiva, can you tell some more points? Because it's a very delicate question. But whatever you say, you be strong in that. Shiva.
Yes,
Shiva,
sir, according to me, sir, according to me, the loan waiver is especially for the in rural areas of the farmers. We will given a support to that. They can do a more cultivate with the help of support, sir. And
so
they
do
can.
you recommend that? Do you approve of that, or do you say it is not good? Be
Yeah, I can
specific.
approve for that, sir.
Yeah, you are approving. So
Yes, sir.
don't you think it is encouraging people not to repay the money on time?
No, we will approve in that situation of the farmer, sir. The financial condition of the farmer. We can give the approval for that.
No, but this,
loan.
no. In a country like this, we cannot go for individualization. Even in a class like this, I'm not able to individualize people and get it done with only 15, 20 people. With 130 crore people being present, how do you expect our country to go through each and every case separately, decide what is good or bad? That is why what they do, they form a uniform rule and say it is applicable for all people from Haryana, all people from Andhra Pradesh, like that they say. And in that effort, what happens? It is good for people who are really affected, but it is encouraging who are not affected also to follow this and make a gain out of this. I should not name, in Maharashtra, for example, Sharad Pawar is supposed to be holding major share over the sugarcane cultivation and sugar factories.
Cooperative sector.
Yeah,
as well.
and he is the person who is benefited by all the loan waivers and all, his or his estate. I have no proof about that. But because if we fear that such big people are being benefited, so we should not introduce this scheme, then thousands of poor people also will be affected. That is why we have taken this stand. Let the poor be benefited, and possibly some of the rich also will be benefited. It is okay. So that is how we go.
The limit has to kept.
Yeah.
Limit has to kept then.
Yeah, in Chennai or Tamil Nadu, they brought a rule. The jewel loans are raised for with 5 pounds only, that is 5 sovereigns only, they are exempted from loan being repaid. After DMK government came into power, what they did, those cooperative societies, which are cooperative banks, which are given loans on the basis of jewel pledge, if the jewel pledge is less than 5 sovereigns, that loan need not be repaid. The jewel has to be returned. It's a very dangerous thing. Like you say, hereafter people taking jewel loan, they are not going to repay. This is the thing. So it
this
has
is
got
the same thing happened with our farmers in our Maharashtra. No one can mortgage or no bank can take over someone's farm.
Not only Maharashtra,
farmers,
throughout the country, agricultural land cannot be sold. Agricultural land cannot be taken possession, or I think it can be sold if it is mortgaged. If it is mortgaged, it can be. I'm not sure about that, but there is some restriction on that. There is a lot of restriction on, say,
Sir, can I try the answer?
yeah,
Farm loan waiver should not be a practice. It can be a good for short term when there is a disaster or something like that, but it should not make a practice regularly,
so
because it will
this is
it will
it's a good one. He has put selective point. Can you please repeat that?
yes, sir. The farm loan waiver will be good when it will be used when there is a disaster or something, but it should not make it a regular practice.
Super.
It will
That
affect the
will do.
behavior of a farmer.
That will do. Even this sentence is not required. That will do. I think all of us can take this point, because we are all going to appear on different dates in different centers. So even if it is the same answer, it's not a problem. That is, loan waiver can be selective or optional only during disasters, not as a routine, in order to get a good name. See, this what we are now doing is nothing new. This has been done in America way back in 1930s and all. This is known as populist policies. Anybody who has studied history will know populist policies of central government. Even now they are doing it. In America, they are giving $1,000 for everybody who is taking vaccination. For people whose annual income is less than some $75,000, for them they are giving 1,000 free. Likewise, many countries follow different methods, but all this, it is like parents telling kids, you please study, I will get you a chocolate, I will get you ice cream. It is like that only. But you talk on, this is a better option because it's a middle order approach. When it is adopted selectively, it is beneficial. Super point. Then they can ask what is selective. Then you can say during disasters and say earthquake. Then what is say flood, etc. Yeah, something like that. Good. I think we will go to the next question. Is it okay, or anybody would like to add some points? Jishnu, Realme, would you like to add some points, or shall we go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Let's
Sir,
go,
I can
sir.
try.
Next question. Good.
I can try, sir.
Yeah, you try. If you want to try, welcome. Because Shubham Gupta gave one excellent word, selective. That seems to be a more good one. Likewise, if we get some 1 or 2 good points, we can take it. Please tell, Vishnu.
Right. It is always welcoming idea to give support or provide aid to farmers when it is needed. Instead of giving a cash flow or waiving the loan completely, we can introduce some new schemes or products for them in order to avail when this kind of disasters happen. So at that time they can be made use instead of waiving the loans.
I think I told you that day about Canada banking, where they are not giving any interest to the depositors. The depositor has to give him money to the bank for keeping the money with us. And I was sitting there on the table. I am there just before. He is only a small officer like Shiva. He is sitting there, and he immediately granted $200 loan. Immediately for me. He doesn't know me, my name. And of course, we gave him our passport and all that. That is immediately granted, $200. That is nothing. It cannot do anything here, $200. $200 means in terms of rupees, 12,000 rupees. Like it is similar to our PM Swanidhi scheme. PM Swanidhi scheme, street vendor scheme, where every street vendor, registered vendor is given 10,000 rupees loan at a concessional rate of interest with subsidy and all. I don't know the rate of interest. So likewise, I was really thrilled. I was a manager. I used to think twice before giving loans to people. But here was a simple manager, like officer like Sachin or Shubham or Pallavi or Jishnu, just immediately granted me $200. But I'm not going to use it. On the other hand, we have put money into the bank. So this question is, we have to do it on a selective basis, and it cannot be done on case-to-case basis. Selective basis during disasters. That is a very good point. I appreciate that. I don't know what these people have given. Doesn't matter. That's not needed for us. What are your views about work-life balance? Would you be willing to take your work home? So this question we should start. Preeti is not there, no? She has gone. Yeah, we will start with Pallavi. Work-life balance. Because women are mostly affected by working and all that. Because I see my daughter working for a office, working for a home, working for relatives and all that. Come on, tell me, Pallavi, starting with Pallavi. Work-life balance.
According to me, work-life balance, work from home is a good solution for work-life balance. And
why are you hesitating? Even last question, permit me, because all of us are friends only. Pallavi, please permit me to say, last question, your communication was not effective. Are you realizing that?
Yes, because I was not prepared. Can I answer that question once again? Because now I have that point.
Please try. Please try.
Okay, so loan waiver is not good for banking because it creates distortions in credit market. It increases NPA for bank, and it is directly or indirectly against interest of all depositors.
Super. Good. Now come to this question. How will you manage? As Subham, add these 2 points also. It may further create further NPAs. That one, and another one.
Yes, sir.
Some another word, particular word she used. It distorts the
credit. It distorts the credit market distortion.
Credit market distortion. Good.
Yes.
Please note that one. Good question, Pallavi. Work-life balance. How will you balance work with life? How will you balance work with life?
So give me 2 minutes. I'll prepare the answer.
Achha, no problem. No problem. No problem. Who can attempt?
I can, sir.
Yeah. Now let us give first chance to Shamba Shiva. Then we will come to Subham. Yeah.
According to me, work-life balance means we have to work equal in the office, and we have to give the time in the for home also. We have to give the time. According to me, even though I have the work, I will manage work in the office and I will finish itself, and I will go to the home and I will keep with my family. Even if there is any time I have work burden like extra work, I can manage at home according to my planning.
Good. Say repeated practices, how it helps. Please permit me to say, here is a case, a person has been selected in IDBI. His name is Venkatesh. He studied engineering mechanical in the year 2014. And he started, say, export company, which did not go well. I think I must have told Sachin and all. And 2017 or 18, he closed that and started preparing for interviews. And this was the first interview he was attending. And he was doing very similar to what we are now doing, meeting every day for some time and discussing. And that has really helped him. The cutoff was 85.5. He had scored only 87.5. Still, he has been selected. And the individual's position in terms of communication was more or less like that of Samba Shiva, where he is not that very comfortable in talking in English because of lack of practice. That is the only reason. A boy from Madurai, father, a famous advocate in High Court in Chennai, but he was having full hesitations for talking. And he could overcome that hesitation only by frequent talking. So whenever I give you opportunities, please utilize it and speak out so that you can improve your chances. For example, Pallavi, for some questions she could not answer because she was not having the relevant points in her mind. But once she got the point, she is able to present it nicely. So this is what it is. Now, next 10 minutes time is there, no problem. Anytime it may stop, don't worry about it. So please participate actively. The question we were telling was on this one, work-life balance. Who would like to talk next? Please come.
I want to
Yes,
talk.
Yeah, Prajwal.
Sir, Suraj.
Now, Prajwal's phone is now working. Let us give chance for him. Prajwal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In our day-to-day life, we have to play a different role. Means the professional as well as the personal life, both are equally important. We have some responsibilities with family as well as our profession. We cannot deny that the family or we cannot choose that family or the profession. So I think the perfect balance should be maintained between them.
How will you do that?
I think by doing things on time, showing the professionalism or adopting that culture, which helps us to do our activities regularly.
Okay, I will give my answer afterwards.
Sure.
Somebody wanted Jishnu? Na?
Yes, sir.
Who? Yeah,
Suraj.
Suraj, yeah.
First, we should give equal importance to both, sir, even including personal life and working life. And the thing is, we have to prioritize what the needs and what have to be done. Priority should be given. And further, we can balance it ourselves, sir.
Good. No, but some masala words, if you use, it may like Shubham telling some selective and all that. Some masala words, if we add it,
That's
come out.
means we have, sir, we have to prioritize the work and have to give equal importance to the both works, and we should work with efficiency. And if something is there, we can come home and we can just sort it out.
Good. Any other points?
Yes, can I try, Shubham?
Yeah.
So work-life balance is very important in one's life. We should separate the work life and professional life. And if we do not have the work-life balance, it will affect our mental health and it will also affect our working efficiency.
No,
So,
this much is not required. Tell about the steps only. You have added, wasted some time. Tell how are you going to do it?
So I will first. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell.
I will first. I will prioritize the work which is important, and I will fulfill my responsibility towards my family and society. If I have important work, then I can do the work at home also.
Okay, good.
So
Sachin,
one more point,
Sachin,
sir.
Yeah. Who is there?
Suraj, sir. Suraj. I will adopt myself in these situations. I'll be good going with this, sir.
Not clear. That's not correct. Now, next, any other better way of telling it? Not that is not correct.
Sir,
May I, sir?
actually I'm telling in Hindi. So is
Nikhil,
it okay?
Nikhil, please try.
Yes, I'm telling in Hindi. But is it okay? Please reconfirm me. घर का काम घर में ही छोड़ देने का, ऑफिस में घर में नहीं लाने का. लेकिन if we are going to office, then we are totally focused in professionalism only.
Sir,
He has one point in that. Yeah.
Sir, okay. May I, sir?
Tell me.
We can categorize our work, that is urgent, important, urgent or not urgent but not important, important but urgent, and not important, not urgent. These are the 4 types of work. We can divide it, and accordingly we can prioritize it and complete it on timely basis.
Okay, next. I have only one point here.
According to me, sir.
Yeah.
What is the work-life balance? That giving the equal importance, we all know that, but simply I have the 24 hours in my life, so I will allot the hours to the both the sectors, that is the whole personal life and the work.
Correct. But either may some extra points what you can add is, number one, by adopting good time management, by prioritizing things, avoiding time wasters, like being indecisive. आज करेगा, कल करेगा, अभी करेगा, परसों करेगा, ऐसा नहीं करेगा. Immediately getting things done. Decision making quickly. Number 3 point is what Prajwal said, being focused, 100% focused and concentrated. These 4 terminologies will add weightage to this. Time management, prioritization, avoiding time wasters, then say focused concentration, something like that. When you do this, automatically the work will be done. I was adopting this. I used to work in an institute from 7 o'clock in the morning to 8:30, go to home, take food, go to office, 10 to 5 office. I will be there till 5:30, 5:40, take the car, return back, go to the institute at 7 o'clock, take class till 8:30, come back home, take rest. Next day morning again 7 o'clock. Because I had to do extra. I was teaching for bank recruitment, staff selection recruitment, even as chief manager, because I could not make both ends meet. I could not make both ends meet. I was earning in those, and that has helped me now. Even today, by sitting in Canada, I am writing materials for a college in Delhi. So managing time is what is, I mean, not deviating here and there. But nowadays, the problem is about this WhatsApp, Facebook, then television. All these things are creating trouble. In those days, that was not there. I'm talking about 96 to 99. I was in Delhi, house caste. And that is how I was able to manage. So concentration, prioritization, good time management, then what else? Focusing. I think some such words will be useful. If you have certain other words, you can tell me. Pallavi, briefly.
Yes, sir. According to me, a work-life balance could be achieved just by following 2-3 steps. First is try to make a schedule and try to stick to it. And then second, give time to your friends and family as well as your hobbies on weekends, so that it will be give you mental peace. And just take care, just by taking care of yourself and your family, you can achieve work and
Good.
life balance.
Excellent. Nice. She has
Sir,
to
I
go.
think there is only 2 minutes left. Before that,
Yeah.
I want to mention here that, sir, there is a news that the interviews are going to begin from 26th of November. Sir, what should be our strategy to?
26th itself. Oh.
Yeah, sir.
Then if
To
necessary,
in offline, it is
if-
going to be in
And it
offline.
is in offline mode.
that means you have to go there and attend.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are Baba. Oh.
Where the
Not
preference,
not
where the
particularly
preference is
everyone
being
has
given.
to face on 26th of November, but maybe
Maybe
some of us.
it'll start for some of us. Acha.
Yes.
Acha, 26 kaise Maharashtra people will go to Bombay perhaps. Or Aurangabad.
In notification, one line is there. In particular place, they will be interviews will be placed.
It will be at the nearest branch, sir.
Sir,
Acha.
in the
Oh.
when we fill the form, they ask for the nearest place. Like me, I put it there. Pune and Nasik are the nearest place for me, so they will arrange there.
Acha, even then, it will not be offline. It will be online at that branch, because you are doing it from your home is one. But here, this time, they will ask you to go to regional office or big branch. There, they will arrange for this interview facilities. Maybe you will be facing another computer there. That's
We
what I
asked
do.
to HR sir. He mentioned that that interview will be on offline mode. We don't have details of it, but yes.
Acha. ठीक है. If it is offline, fine. That
So,
means
sir, most important point is what should be our strategy? How we should?
you should go through the material guidely I have given. We have covered about up to question number 12, about page number 12. Other questions are there. You can just go through that also.
And how our
And,
classes will how
No,
our classes will go?
we can continue. Our classes can continue. If you are willing to sit for one more hour, another 40 minutes, I don't mind sitting here and continue for some more questions, but depends on how
Yes,
you
sir.
feel.
We will put our 100%. We don't have any problem.
Yeah, Prajwal, right. Sachin, can you sit for another 45 minutes, 40 minutes
Yes, sir.
for Sambasiva?
Yes, sir. Okay.
What about Shubham?
Yes, sir, I can.
Oh, okay, then if this comes to an end, we will start again for another 40 minutes. We will try to push through questions based on, I was not aware it is going to start